Good morning. I had a friend say that I'm not posting enough pictures or videos, and so I am going to try to do a little more this weekend while I'm up here. I didn't post many pictures and videos because there's not huge amounts of change, and I thought, well, it would be boring. So here I am this morning, beautiful Saturday morning in March. I don't know the date. I was already down here once with the dogs, and I put bird feed in. There's the nuthatches are already here. I already put bird feed out here, but then I saw that the eastern bluebirds were looking around, and they really like mealworms. And so, since they were busy down here looking around, I thought I would bring some. They don't seem to get into the feeder, on the feeder. So I sprinkle them around and put a little in the feeder. I'm sorry, I can't video with one hand while I'm throwing out bird food. Oh, look. The nuthatches really feel like this is their space. They're the first ones to come when I put seed out here, and they tend to chase the others away. He really wants some seed. Let's back up a step, see if he'll come. Those nuthatches are very brave. Anyway, so my windows and doors were installed just after my last video. I was up here Valentine's weekend, so my doors and windows were finally installed, thank goodness. The electricity has been hooked up to the pole and run underground, and that was done just last week that the local utility company was out here hooking that up along with my meter. So that part's ready to go. Last time I was up here, my holes for my deck were dug, and now they have cement in them, so they're ready to go. And then there's my deck wood. That's like a pile of gold laying there right now during pandemic times. It's hard to get, and it's expensive. I might not be able to get back in. That would be funny. Trying to do a tour and I can't get back in. Okay, so I'm so excited. You know, we waited on my doors and windows for so long, for months. We waited for my doors and windows to be delivered. But here they are. A lot of people said, build at the top of the hill so you can have the view all the way around. Excuse me. I didn't want the dust and dirt from the road. I wanted to be able to see the birds. I wanted down here. I just wanted down here where the shack originally was. But I am so excited that from this window there is a little bit of a view across the road. And then there's my deck holes. So that's how wide my deck will be. That's an odd angle, isn't it? And then it'll wrap around. And then it's wider out here like it had been on the shack on this side. So when the windows were put in, they could finally put the insulation in. So the insulation is here. Now I've got a long time to go before I put furniture in here. But I'm thinking about, I don't know whether to put the table where I'm standing or a little table, like an L-shaped table, kind of right here by my pantry, like a little island. And then I could have a chair here and chairs around it. I don't know. We'll see. I'm still trying to figure all that out. So nothing really in here except the insulation and doors and windows. I'm walking through the kitchen, future kitchen. Oh, look, there's the flicker. In February, the flicker was here a lot. I have no idea. Can I zoom while I video? Of course, the nuthatch is not excited to share the bird seed. But there's the flicker. How exciting is that? Well, maybe not to you. To me, that's super exciting. I will be glad when construction's done and I can put up the bird bath, get a new bird bath, and get it set up out there. But this is the view out of my bedroom window. I think this area is kind of a flat area compared to the rest of my yard, so that might be where the garden goes. Not sure yet. But the little flower bed, some of the flowers did well, and the lilacs have buds, flower buds, so I might actually have lilacs this year. I don't know if in the years before the plant was too young or if the deer ate them. I'm not sure. But here's my place. And yes, isn't that odd to have a door in front of a door? But I don't mind, because when I'm here by myself, that door, that bathroom door, will probably always be closed. So that'll be just more like a wall. I put the two doors on because if and when I ever have guests, they probably won't want to walk through my bathroom to get to the, walk through my bedroom to get to the bathroom. So that door's there when there's more than just me. There's the camping shed. That's what a construction site looks like. This was a brush pile, and it's a little flat right there. And so that is probably where I'll put my blueberry plants. Blueberries, maybe figs. I have had a fig plant there. I've had like 3, but they die. The first ones froze, and one of them got knocked over. A bear actually knocked over the fence posts. I don't know. So I want to put a stronger fence up eventually here that maybe will keep the bears out. Good morning from the shack, the shed, the house. I don't know. Good morning from my place.